Alright, hello friends. So I want to show us about typhoid test, but for us in the lab we don't call it typhoid, we call it wider test. So but for you it's typhoid, though it's typhoid, but here is wider. So as you can see, this is the kit. It's called anti-sera, that is wider antigens. We have antigen OA, antigen OB, OC, D, and then H, A, H, B, C, and D. So as you can see, this is how to, this one is timer, as I'm showing here. So but the method here is what we call time method. We have two methods, but what I'm doing here is time method. This test shows whether someone is infected by this typhoid bacteria, which passes through small intestine via lymphatic to mesenteric gland. So this test, you see, I'm adding this anti-sera one by one to different 8 holes. After it, we'll now add the whole blood. That is the plasma from whole blood sample. The whole blood, in the sense that the blood has been put into EDTA container. Yes. Then allow spin or allow to stand for some hours to get the plasma. Yeah. So the test. This test, when you put the anti-sera, you add the whole blood, the plasma, then mix. You mix each one and clean, or you use a separate applicator stick. But here I'm using just one applicator stick, so I will only mix and then clean intermittently, very well. Then rock, time it for 5 minutes, then rock to see if there will be agglutination. So when the agglutination is a positive test result and indicates presence of the corresponding antibody in the patient's serum or plasma, and that shows once there is that agglutination is positive, but the positivity has range. So for it starts from 1/80 up to 320, but negative is just 1:20 and 1:40. Well done. You see the result.